In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your screen and system audio using Clipchamp. If you've ever found yourself needing to capture a presentation, a demo, or perhaps an online tutorial, Clipchamp offers a straightforward solution. I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you can easily and effectively use this tool. Let's dive right in by opening up your web browser and searching for Clipchamp. Once you have located the Clipchamp website, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and free. After you've logged in, create a new video project or open a project you're already working on. This will be your workspace where you can edit and manage your recordings. Over on the left-hand side, you'll notice a toolbar. From this menu, select the Record and Create tab. This is where all the magic happens in terms of recording within Clipchamp. You'll then see a couple of options, either to record just the screen or to include the camera too. If you choose to include the camera, it will capture video footage using your webcam. But if you're just aiming to capture screen content and audio, select the screen-only option. At this point, keep in mind that if it's your first time using Clipchamp, a new window will appear asking for permissions to access your microphone and camera. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal. Just click Allow to grant those permissions. It's essential for the recording process. Now, let's talk about audio. You'll want to select your preferred microphone from the drop-down list if you're planning to narrate while recording. However, if you're solely interested in capturing system audio, simply select None for the microphone, and the system will take care of the rest. When you're ready, click the red Record button to start things off. You'll notice a smaller pop-up where you'll choose what exactly to record. Options include your entire screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. To capture system audio in particular, it's important to select the browser tab option. Don't forget to check the Share tab audio box in the pop-up window to make sure the audio is captured. With everything set, hit the Share button to begin your recording. Once you're done capturing the desired content, click Stop Sharing from the banner at the top of the screen to end the session. Clipchamp will take you back to the main interface where you can preview what you've just recorded. If you're satisfied with it, click Save and Edit to add the clip to your project timeline. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded your screen and system audio using Clipchamp. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you capture exactly what you need.